Alrighty, welcome back to another video. Great to have you here. If you're looking at setting up an Amazon account from Australia, so maybe you're looking at setting up a business selling products on Amazon Australia, I'm glad that you found this page. Now, a couple of quick things before you open up an Amazon account here in Australia. One thing I would suggest to you is just to make sure that you've kind of sort of nailed down what you're going to sell. There's no point you signing up to Amazon if you're still unsure about what to sell, right? Because there's no point you having an Amazon account and you might be paying some monthly fees where you don't even have a product yet and you don't even know what you're going to sell, right? So if you are looking for help in figuring out what you're going to sell, then connect with us. Okay, we've got heaps of free training. We've got online training. We've got portals. We do workshops in Sydney, Australia, right? We do workshops in Auckland, New Zealand, right? We do a lot of in-house, on-hand, hand-to-hand, face-to-face training that will guide you on determining great products to sell and so much more, all right? And we go through the steps. So that is what I'll say to you now is if you're still deciding on the type of product that you are wanting to sell, don't register just yet for Amazon. All right, but if you figured out what you want to sell, that's a completely different story, right? So go to sell.amazon.com.au, right, and you sort of see a few details here on essentially on really signing up, right? And basically, you click sign up. Now, a few quick things here is number one, when you do sign up, it is going to ask you for a few things like your details, like a driver's license, usually a utility bill, so like gas, electric, sort of that sort of thing, and just wants to verify your actual postal address. So just make sure you got some things already organized with that, right? So make sure you have those things on standby because it does definitely speed up the process to signing up to an Amazon account. And that's pretty much it. It is relatively easy opening up an Amazon account. It is relatively easy signing up, but where a lot of people sort of do get stuck is they just don't know what to sell. They don't fully understand, what products do I sell? How do I find out if it's going to be profitable? How much money are people making selling this product right now on Amazon? How do I, sell that exact same product? So that's kind of what we do. And if you are looking for help, connect with us, drop us a line, check out some of the free stuff we've got online. Just check us out, right? We can even help you launch your first product. We can actually launch it for you and show you at the same time how we go about doing that. All right. So I would love to work with you. Drop us a line. There's a link below this video that sort of walks you through how to go about doing that. But this is essentially how you start signing up as to an Amazon account. All right. Hopefully that helped, and talk to you soon. Bye for now.